Hustling about my money, I would've went dummy and been grand. But I got this shit locked up, can't nobody stop us, young nigga. I'm chasing that big bag. Everybody around me, they clutching the fire. My younger day once on ride for him. He mugging, we up, and I hope that the.
What it do with your boy OTC, bro? And let me get my camera straight. And welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Roast, dislike, do the most, man. Hit the notification button so you know when your boys upload to the tube. Hashtag rude ones in the comment section for a shout out on Friday and every single Friday, man. Appreciate 10,000K. I will be doing a 10,000K subscriber special video. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to call it. You know, on the grind. Anyways, man, we are on our way to 100,000 of them things, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, skipping 20, skipping 50, skipping 75, going straight to 100. Anyways, this is Crank Lucas, one of my favorite creators on YouTube. If Young Jeezy sold chicken. Also, Young Jeezy is one of my favorite rappers of all time, so I had to watch this one.
My drive is professional, I'm on a different kind of track. I chase a different kind of bag. I chase a different kind of bag. Crank Lucas in the building. Snowman chicken, delicious finger licking. Got butt naked girls whipping birds in the kitchen. White meat, dark meat, like grease. For $17.50, you can get a 20-piece. Drumsticks, breast thighs, anything. It's like you drinking Red Bull. We'll even give you wings. Grilled to
We gotta play that back. The ad-libs kill me. And the choice of beat is perfect.
Crank Lucas in the building. Snowman chicken, delicious finger licking. Got butt naked girls whipping birds in the kitchen. White meat, dark meat, like grease. For $17.50, you can get a 20-piece. Drumsticks, breast thighs, anything. It's like you drinking Red Bull. We'll even give you wings. Grilled to mild, fried or spicy, and wash it all down.
This nigga is being comical, and he's better than 99% of these little goofs. Little chair, you know what I'm saying? Little popcorn, little head. Come on, man. Little fan, little computer. He better than all them goofies, and he's joking around. That Red Bull line was hard, though.
Dark meat like grease. For $17.50, you can get a 20-piece. Drumsticks, breast thighs, anything. It's like you drinking Red Bull. We'll even give you wings. Grilled to mild, fried or spicy, and wash it all down with a giant icy. Quarter bird, half a bird, or just eat it whole. It's always safe, cause all my birds are non-GMO. We got Cajun, Old Bay, or jalapeno pepper. Shouts to Ricky Rose. We got the lemon pepper. And let me tell you about all our amazing sides. Mac and cheese, collard greens, fries, beans, and rice. When you're looking for the poultry, you should come see me. We'll give you nuggets on the house, just ask for Young Jeezy.
Crank Lucas is talented, bro. Him, Lennar, and like Love, Live, and Serve. Love, Live, Serve. They need to link up somehow, some way, and make a collab. And that shit will be funny, bro. Crazy.
Pepper, shouts to Ricky Rose. We got the lemon pepper. And let me tell you about all our amazing sides. Mac and cheese, collard greens, fries, beans, and rice. When you're looking for the poultry, you should come see me. We'll give you nuggets on the house, just ask for Young Jeezy.
Great instrumental, good beat choice, loved it. Crank Lucas is so talented. Just look at the look at this. He's so comical, so talented. A good, very good creator that hopefully more people in 2019 start paying close attention to, because this man deserves way more than the subscriber count he has. Just put it like that. So y'all make sure you all support Crank Lucas. Tell him your boy OTC Road sent you. This is Rude Reviews. and I will see you when I see you. Go.